Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Axie Infinity breeding cost analysis. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can breed and raise digital creatures known as Axies. Breeding Axies can be a costly endeavor, and understanding the costs involved is crucial to making informed decisions. First, it is essential to understand the basic breeding mechanics in Axie Infinity. Each Axie has a breed count, which increases with each breeding. The higher the breed count, the higher the cost of breeding. The breeding cost is also influenced by the rarity of the Axies being bred, with higher rarity Axies resulting in higher breeding costs. To analyze the breeding cost, start by identifying the breed count and rarity of the Axies you want to breed. You can find this information in the Axie Infinity marketplace or by checking your Axies details. Next, use the Axie Infinity breeding calculator to estimate the breeding cost. The calculator takes into account the breed count and rarity of the Axies, as well as other factors such as the energy cost and the Axs token cost. Another critical factor to consider is the energy cost. Each breeding requires a certain amount of energy, which is replenished over time. The energy cost increases with each breeding, making it essential to manage your energy levels carefully. It is also important to consider the Axs token cost, which is the cryptocurrency used to pay for breeding. To minimize breeding costs, it is recommended to breed Axies with lower breed counts and rarities. It is also essential to manage your energy levels carefully and breed Axies when your energy is replenished. Additionally, consider using Axies with high stats and genes to increase the chances of producing high-quality offspring. In conclusion, analyzing the breeding cost in Axie Infinity requires a thorough understanding of the breeding mechanics, breed count, rarity, energy cost, and Axs token cost. By using the Axie Infinity breeding calculator and considering these factors, you can make informed decisions and minimize your breeding costs. Remember to always manage your energy levels carefully and breed Axies with lower breed counts and rarities to get the most out of your breeding experience.